So I have a book out on Amazon. It's called Don't Cry. I'm going to recite a few poems from my book. And the first poem I'm going to recite, Don't Cry. Mama, don't cry. I'm going to make things work. Never stop praying for us even when they're experiencing the worst. I am here fighting tough days, Mom, inside hurts. But don't cry. Even though tears in my eyes, I'm crying out to God as if I'm inside a church. Listen this, I will not quit even if I have to keep crawling in the dirt. Don't cry. Dada, don't cry. You try to make things work. You're my first hero. You motivate me to serve. Son about thinking I failed. Dad, I value your worth. You inspire immensely. Almighty God is at work. I am going to ignite luminosity all over this earth. I told my kids don't cry. They never got it at first. They were so excited seeing daddy's first merch. It's not like my sales boosting online. Honestly, at times it seems like my life in reverse. Many depending on me. I have to emerge. I swear to God, I'm gonna break this generational curse. Don't cry. Big respect to all the poetry warriors all over yard and abroad. Antonio Valier, maximum respect. Lionel Sheeda, Malachi Smith, Cherry Natural, Rastakura, the whole 9 yard. Amaziyah the Great, so the journey continued out with St. Arbin. The youth them, as me Antonio Valier touched upon the youth them topic, it's a very important and serious thing we need to talk about. Big up the singer who just blessed the stage with our 3 lovely song. Her voice is amazing. Tell them precisely. Keep it blazing. For our children to know. I want my children to know me as one that is great. Education is essential. Time mustn't waste. With the power of knowledge, there's no limit to what you can create. You will encounter hurdles in life, even frightening earthquakes, but never stop. Aim higher and escalate. I also stumbled and fell on my journey. Yeah, I made mistakes. Still I elevate and stay awake. Fueling my mind with positive energy while I vibe and meditate. I pay close attention to nature and sounds birds make. People business, man, I discuss and I mix up and I partake. My art takes, I can't take liars and pretenders. All fake. Hence why I separate myself from illusion. Confusion will never penetrate the core of my mind. I smile, I embrace greatness, fairness among all human race. Notice this face, man, a lip trace. I will never disgrace my people for a position, me rather empower you in a disgrace. But it's somewhat complicated when the world is in a sick state. Love, politics, and religion are folks in a trick state. Miseducation, misunderstanding, miscommunication, mistakes are the reason for your failure. So rise and surprise them with a bliss face. Tell them precisely. Our men have failed our people tremendously. And it's full time for the man them of level of respect and love for the females and for our children. Because we are the ones raping and abusing our women and children, and this should be stopped. Bitterness. Like a toddler crying for mom's breast milk, I saw tears race down her bony face. She was pensive and motionless, like she was lost in space. She then broke the silence, screaming out, I'm such a big disgrace. I quickly interjected, honey, what's wrong? And she yelled, get the hell out of my space. All you men are just the same. Cheat, lies, you all take love for a game. I hate men forever. I should have killed Trevor. Yeah, put a bullet in his brain. Baby, whoa, you take this too far now. Are you drunk or insane? Craig, you're not gonna understand me. You can't feel my pain. I was raped when I was 9. It really shattered my mind. A decade after, I tried to move on to get myself back in line. I thought Tom was the best thing until he slept with my sister. So I had sex with his best friend and WhatsApp him the flipping picture. All my life I've been hurt. Later start attending church, searching for comfort. But life grew worse. Few months after, she was impregnated by the comforting pastor, threatened to do an abortion, or else her life would be a disaster. I tried to convince her, telling her she's still precious and worth more than diamonds and gold. She says she still hates men. Her heart is now cold. I offered a hug. She squeezed me tightly, saying, thank you, Mr. Kirkland, for attempting to make me feel lively. But how will I live with the fact of knowing that I'm infected with HIV? Tell them precisely. Domestic abuse must be stopped. Sad reality of what go on with some women all across the world. And right now I'm very sick. I am sick. No jokes. Pay attention closely. I'm sick and lonely with no one to hold me. Boldly she told me I was the one and only. Campbell K, I'm sick of her lies because she was with Anthony. I'm sick of fake friends who never promotes me. I'm sick of being talented and even my family doubts me. I'm sick of the radio stations play mostly. If I never social media, would I never hear about me? I'm sick in a cold, dark world. Sick without my life now seems to sparkle. Sick of crying tears. No one to talk to. A Johnny hear me grumbling in the bathroom and ask, Daddy, I want you to argue. I'm just sick of being broke, son, and can't even do what I want. I'm sick of fake food and fake medication. I'm sick of fake news, fake information. So I'm sick and confused with fake education. Amaziyah the great views. We're living among a sick generation. Respect. I'm going to drop 2 more because I only have 10 minutes. So let me drop them 2 here real quick. And big respect for this platform and everybody who there are going to support the thing to the fullest. Campbell K, keep doing greatness. Maximum respect to you and the whole team. You know what I mean? Respect. Usain Bolt got bronze in London and some are saying sell out. Elaine Thompson lost the race. Well, for negative remarks, yell out. I want to expect, show respect because history was created. America bowed down to a legend, honor, greatly appreciated. Hey, not just locally, but globally, Jamaicans did it. Keep a negative remarks to yourself and don't even get close up with it. Be proud that we are. I am the great one. To all our athletes and icons, I say congratulations. You see, the problem I encountered every day with my own race, but mine and envy smiling at my own face, sneakingly, creepingly want to take my own space. Mankind so unkind, ignorance frown face. Love has gone below 0 degree, frozen cold state, pensive in my thoughts, mind traveling zone space. My girlfriend won't even have sex with me, vex with me, says she want time alone space. I try to get her attention focused on her phone face. Nowadays we can't even relate but display more hate. Anger escalate, too much alarming crime rate. Your morals slowly deteriorates and that concern me. What kind of society gonna exist in about 2030? Social media is like cancer, feeding on your souls, implemented to prevent you from achieving on your goals. Illusion and confusion make you losing what you own. Don't lose yourself, be yourself. Remember, you're not alone. So while I go on, can I get some love now? Oh, sorry. I guess you love your phones. Most of us now understand how essential life is. We're still gonna waste time and don't know what time really is. If only one understood how powerful your mind is, perhaps you'd comprehend how nonsensical hype is. Marcus Garvey say unite. So why we separate? Why we still a fight? Why so many hates? Can religion and politician make my people elevate? Like Marley, I'm saying one love. Them I got tired for see me face. Campbell K. Like Marley, I'm saying one love. Them I got tired for see me face. Big respect in every aspect. Legends leaving us real quick. Last September when I looked, it was the passing of reggae legend Toots. A few weeks after that, Daddy Uri passed. R.I.P. Another icon embedded in our hearts. Yesterday after I got the news, reggae icon Bunny Wailer died. Today I'm still not in a happy mood. Miss Lou, Bob Andy, you inspired many. Michael Sharp are still my general, loved by many. When we look overseas, Kobe and DMX gone. The legends are leaving us. How really are gone? Bob Marley, Garnet Silk and Dennis Brown. Honestly, I still wish you were around because some of them treat the business like a circus, too much clowns. Globally, loved ones are grieving, feeling hurt. Even while I'm speaking, some weeping, the legends are leaving earth. Powerful black men were put to death. Call it whatever you want. This is the total mess. If it's not sickness, it's murder. Go on. Feel free to check. I'm not cold, I speak bold until my last breath. Chadwick Boseman gone too soon. I'm still saying Wakanda forever. My people were wise and realize we are stronger together. Babylon the one with the rise, them tell lies and act like so them clever. Some saying Black Lives Matter. Let me see if it'll get better. But how can it be better when they divided and ignorant, distraction, confusion, or progression with ignorance? You're too busy on TikTok watching galley that comedy jokes. I see you twerking on IG, not paying attention to the posts I wrote. We are powerful together. We need the support. Seek knowledge, increase the vocabulary, for life is no jokes. Be careful of the foods you consume because poisonous stuff in what they promote. Who created all these diseases and viruses and claim there's no antidote? The great legends are gone. I'm feeling provoked. This is no joke. My quote will make people stay woke. Are the legends really leaving us or have they been killed? Me don't know. I'm somewhat bewildered. It's just a question I'm asking still. Has my mind navigated to invade my thoughts? Why? Evil men reign longer and good ones die early. This concerns me and I won't lie. Marcus Garvey, Jamaica's first national hero and one of the world's greatest men, uniting my people all over for Africa was his greatest plan. New story reveal he met his demise after suffering a stroke. I think they took him out purposely and this is no jokes. It's obvious them want to get rid of a powerful black man. I will not sit and be silent. My spoken words explode like bombs. I wish somebody would have confessed about the death of Dr. Sabi, the man who cured many diseases, including AIDS. I don't think same crazy. On February 21st, 1965, Malcolm X assassinated. April 4th, 68, in the States, Martin Luther King Jr. assassinated. Tupac, Biggie, Nipsey murdered. You think that's coincidence? Once you have power with the people, them delete you, and that's evident. It's obvious them want to get rid of all the people with strength. The legends are leaving us, only God know why. Michael Jackson, Whitney Houston, and Prince. I rate them till the day I die. Aaliyah, she was so young when she lost her life in the plane crash. The whole world cried. Gandhi too was a great man, assassinated. Why? I could not complete my list of legends, not mentioning King Selassie I. R.I.P. Great legends, work well done. Our ancestors fought long for us to get freedom. Educate yourselves. I will not sit and be silent. Me no mute, me no dumb. Our journey continues perpetually like the rise of the sun. Big respect. Follow me at Artist Craig Kirkland on TikTok, on Instagram and Twitter, Precisely Great. Campbell K and the whole team, it was a pleasure. Antoine Valier, everybody out there, remember, check out the book, Don't Cry. Tell them precisely. Great ways the gateway of all the sunshine we make. Hey, big respect to all the organizers. Blessings. Tell them precisely.
Great respect legends. He called many legends. Amen, amen. But tonight,